Hey guys, so I am back at it again with my twin sister. I don't know what that was. But anyways, in this video, I am going to show you guys how I take this hair that she has on her head because we weaved her up. How we take this hair on her head from this body wave texture, which is actually blown out right here, into a more deep wave texture. This hair is from Vanlov Hair. We have a 16-inch closure with 16, 18, and 20-inch bundles. Okay, y'all. So the hair in this video has been washed, air dried, and blow dried a little bit to get it to dry faster. And what I'm doing first is just sectioning up the hair to make this process easier, because we are going to be doing some teeny tiny wand curls, and I need as many sections as I can get to make the process easier. Of course, you want to detangle the hair before you do anything to make the process even more easier. And then taking small sections, I am using my Irresistible Me Sapphire Curling Wand. This is the smallest barrel that comes in the wand kit, I guess you can say, but I don't remember the diameters of this wand, but it is the smallest one that comes in that kit. All I'm doing is just wrapping the hair around that wand. I held it on the hair for about 10 to 15, more so 10 seconds before letting the curl loose. And then I kind of let it set in my hand for like 3 seconds, and then I let that baby go, and then bam, you got a curl. Just like that. So I did this all over the hair, you guys. This took some time because when you do a little teeny tiny wanded sections, it's gonna take a minute. So it probably took us maybe like, I want to say 30 to 45 minutes to do her entire head because the sections are so small. But as you can see, the hair is curling up well, so it was not a waste of our time, thankfully. Yeah, so I just wanted the entire head, guys. The whole head, the whole wig. Here we are at the top of the head. I made sure that when I got to the front of her head that all of the curls that I wanded were wanded away from her face and not in towards her face, because it just looks better when it's not falling into your face. And she's happy because this is the last section, guys. So last section, curling away from her face. If you guys can see, sorry, I'm blocking the camera. Curling away from her face, just so that it can kind of frame her face better. But here is the hair completely wanded. It looks really pretty even though it hasn't been separated, but we aren't going to leave it like this. What we did after was just kind of brush through, we did brush through those curls to give them a more deep wave pattern, texture, whatever you want to call it, because we didn't want the curls to be too uniform, you know. So we brushed through those bad boys, and it gave us this cute deep waved fullness, cuteness that you see here. What I like about this hair texture is it still has a little more coarseness to it, so it allows it to appear more natural. And it is a wig, so we were able to play around with it being a side part, so that's what we did here, guys. But she out here looking cute or whatever. But yeah, that is the end of this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Links to this hair and Vanlov will be down below in the description for you all to check out. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you didn't, keep your thumbs to yourself, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!